Hello, my dear friends, meeting you all after a very long time. So, let us see a good creation in this video. We are going to see do it yourself for plant home decor. Let's go into the video and see how I made this plant. Yes, it is a faux plant which we made from scrap. The pot, everything is separate. So let's see what are the materials that are needed for this plant. So first we used this PVC pipe, okay, and we made holes where we are going to insert each leaves. Okay, so this PVC pipe is the pipe which you're seeing at the back. It's the brown pipe. We first made the holes using a hot steel rod and then we painted it brown. So once we do that, it will have some holes. You need to just cut it off, and then what we did was we just used cement, and what we did is we just had some nails so that like the concrete will stand in a stiff way, and then we put the cement in the pot. The pot we got it from a dollar store, and the PVC pipe was available at our home, and we put cement and we just kept it ready. And of course leaves also we got it separately from dollar store. We just got 4 sets of leaves, and of course I asked my kids to collect the stones from the park to give the finishing touch of the plant. Yes, my dear friends, it is that easy. Now, as I told you, we pierced holes on the PVC pipe. You can see it here. And then we cut the extra scraps and we painted it brown. And we used the glue gun. We put on the stem of the leaves some glue gun. We inserted it on the holes which we already put. And then we also put a little more glue gun around the leaves stems so that it will be a little more stronger. So you can see that we are inserting the glue gunned stems, and then we are putting a little more outside the stems also. So that's how we did it. Yes, that is a clear footage of how we did it. See? And then we inserted it slowly and we gave it a finishing touch of a glue gun. Okay, so that's how we did it. So you can see here, and then what it didn't have the natural look. So what I did was I took a black marker and I gave a little bit here and there scratches of black marker on the PVC pipe, so it will give you a natural look of the stem. Yes, only that was my idea, and the other stuff was the work of my husband. Yes, I hope you all like it. And this is the finishing part of the plant. We finished it, we kept it down, and we thought it is like a little bit unfinished, so we had to collect stones from the park. And then I made my kids to put it on the actually we cannot put it right away because I have a little boy, right? So my toddler will definitely take those stones. So what I did was I used silicone. Now we didn't use the hot glue gun. It didn't stick because these stones were a little rough. So I had to use the pure silicone one which we used to stick the mirrors, okay? And we used those silicone and we stuck these stones. It was the best way. So this is where I'm sticking it with hot glue gun, which did not work it out. So I had to use the normal silicone to stick the stones. Now it's perfect actually. And I was wondering how to decorate it, where to keep it. I thought I need to, spend more to give a grand decoration for the bottom of the table. But then finally, luckily in my backyard, or you can say in my flat, people used to keep the other tables, and there was a beautiful stand for the vase. The faux plant really looked it is looking It is having a complete look now, actually speaking. The stones gave the finale look. You need to try this at home. It's a very simple way to decorate your home. Actually, we wanted a plant. We searched, and you know what? We got a plant, but it was like not that good. But if you want to buy such a great plant, it is costing you so much. But this plant didn't cost us that much. It was so cheap and it is so lovely in that place. I really hope that you liked this video and you will subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Subscribe.